Why are some of you acting surprised by allegations that George Charamba should be investigated for letting down the president? The guy has history of betraying his principles. Sanapinda mashoko ari kuda panguva ino zviri kunzi George Charamba onekwa kunzi akubetreya mutungamiri wenyika yeMozambique mnangagwa panguva ino zvichinzi ava kusapota VP Constantino Chiwenga in a bid to oppose the 2030 plan. Don't subscribe or like on the bell. My Mugabe realized it and called him out in public before, while at that time his cause appeared noble. The underlying factors was still betrayal of a principle, while Professor Jonathan Moyo, whom he worked with, ran away with his professional dignity intact. How did he survive? It's an indication of suspicious conduct, which may amount to sacrificing others for self-expediency. His latest conduct as presidential spokesperson when the president came under siege has been very telling and speaks of compromised character. His lackadaisical approach is not just absence of passion and initiative, but a willful removal of those factors to sabotage the president. One has to learn to serve one master faithfully and not be preoccupied with surviving to serve in every administration that comes in. How does one act normal and even peddle the marriage of normalcy in a situation in which everyone can see is a president facing internal attacks, as it is Professor Moyo is actually doing a better job from a propaganda perspective, advancing the presidential cause more effectively? The situation is not being helped by Nick Mangwana's own weak approach in a volatile environment. In a scenario where rivals have defrogged themselves of diplomacy, humility, and etiquette in relation to the president, why does the president's own defense retain false humility and continue delicately tiptoeing around? If that is not sabotage or selling out, it's ineffectiveness, all of which warrant one thing. Thomas kwatoka panguva ino na Temba Mliswa achitaura mashuka kuti George Charamba aiwa akambodisappointa is principal kurova Robert Gabriel Mugabe panguva ine pane allegations ari kuuya panguva ino achiti akambobetreya his principal. So again this time ari kuda kubetreya vaMozambique mnangagwa. Kana akambozviita before chichinomutadzisa kuzviita acho achikonfirma achiti maallegations ari kupiwa ndechokwadi. Pinda kusection yedu nzwa funguro enyu mutongi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.